Hidden deep within the Earth's crust lies a liquid treasure. Today, we witness the birth. Our journey begins 500 meters below the surface, tapping into an ancient, untouched aquifer. Naturally filtered by time, this water is rich in essential minerals and absolute purity. Precision pumping technology ensures the aquifer's pressure remains constant, preserving its natural structure. Every drop undergoes intensive UVC sterilization to eliminate microorganisms without using chemicals. Nanofiltration removes submicron impurities while leaving the vital mineral ions intact. We monitor the mineral balance in real time to guarantee a consistent, crisp taste profile. Purity isn't just a goal, it's our scientific standard. To house perfection, we create our own premium glass containers on site. Molten silica is shaped by high-pressure air into a signature aerodynamic silhouette. Rapid cooling cycles ensure maximum structural integrity and diamond-like clarity. Automation handles the heat. Each bottle is moved with millimeter precision.
Annealing creates a glass structure that can withstand high-pressure carbonation and transport.
AI-powered optical sensors detect flaws invisible to the human eye. Before filling, every bottle is sterilized to medical-grade standards. The filling process occurs in a localized vacuum to prevent any atmospheric contact. We use Laminar Flow technology to maintain the water's natural dissolved oxygen levels.
Every bottle is filled to the exact milliliter, ensuring absolute consistency.
Sealing the freshness. The torque is measured digitally to ensure a 100% airtight lock. A tamper-evident seal is created instantly, protecting the elixir within. Sudden temperature changes are managed to protect the glass and the mineral structure.
Every bottle has a digital fingerprint, traceable from the deep well to your table.
A subtle mark of engineering excellence. We use ultra-thin, moisture-resistant labels that enhance the bottle's transparency. Flawless application. No air bubbles, no misalignments. 360-degree quality control. We analyze the water's clarity at the speed of light. Zero compromise. Only the perfect survive the apex standard. Organization at high velocity. The line never stops.
Sustainable packaging. Our crates are made from 100% recycled fiber.
Built for global logistics, engineered for the planet. Maximizing space efficiency through high-speed palletization. Secured for a journey across continents. Climate-controlled storage preserves the mineral stability until the moment of delivery. Continuous scientific validation ensures our water remains the gold standard. Testing for over 200 parameters every hour.
The perfect mineral density for ultimate hydration.
The final reveal. The crisp clink of premium glass.
Best served at exactly 8 degrees Celsius to experience the full flavor profile.
An elixir for the body, a masterpiece for the soul. We return more to the earth than we take. Sustainability is the apex mission.
Respecting the geology that crafted this water over centuries.
Engineering the flow of life.
Speed, scale, and uncompromising quality. The sound of pure potential.
Harmonizing industrial power with natural beauty.
The Crystal Elixir.
Bottled at the source. Sealed by science. Bringing the Earth's most refined hydration to the world. Apex process. Engineering the purest flow. Our on-site glass furnace reduces our carbon footprint while ensuring container quality.
Shaping the future of premium packaging with every mold cycle.
Purely sourced, locally crafted, globally admired. Beyond transparency, we seek optical perfection. Mechanical precision mimicking the pulse of the Earth.
Hydrocooling stabilizes the glass structure for the final packaging phase.
We operate at ISO Class 5 standards for maximum microbiological safety.
Handling our glass with the softness it deserves. A crowning touch to a masterpiece of design.
Every millimeter of the line is optimized for high-speed throughput.
Apex engineering means minimal downtime and maximum output.
Capturing beauty in every detail of the process. Built to endure the rigors of international shipping.
Science and human oversight in perfect collaboration.
Our sparkling edition uses gas captured from the same geological source.
Natural carbonation for a more refined, persistent bubble.
We engineer the mouthfeel through microscopic bubble control.
A perfectly smooth drinking experience, guaranteed.
Luxury at every touchpoint. Powering the flow of the Crystal Elixir. Health-focused minerals, preserved in their natural state. Leaving no trace. Our environmental commitment is absolute.
Authenticity you can see and touch.
Refreshment redefined. Logistics driven by AI for rapid global response.
Our packaging
is designed for the most extreme environments on Earth. Filtering at the molecular scale for 100% purity. A cathedral of cleanliness and engineering power. Advanced indicators ensure your water is always at its freshest. Measuring transparency in parts per trillion.
Tightening the protection for long-distance transport.
Certified for the world's most demanding markets.
Tension and purity in perfect balance.
Every batch is personally approved by our master hydrologist.
Crafting limited runs for the most exclusive estates. Precision, even in the smallest security features.
A seamless flow from the earth to the bottle.
Apex process. Trusted by the best.
The structural beauty of pure mineral water. Elevating water into the realm of fine art.
Constant vigilance over every technical parameter.
Flawless glass quality for a flawless consumer experience. 100% sustainable energy for 100% pure water.
Manufacturing a better future for our planet.
Stability tested. Quality verified.
The choice of the elite. The essence of the earth.
Perfect alkalinity for a smooth, refreshing finish.
Engineering the final detail. Another day of perfection, bottled and ready.
The Crystal Elixir.